A case study on driving data-driven innovation with Microsoft Fabric and Power BI. Southern States Material Handling, SSMH, a leading provider of material handling solutions in the U.S., faced serious challenges due to disconnected data. Their siloed systems blocked visibility, making real-time decision-making impossible. Poor data quality led to inaccurate KPIs, weakening critical insights, and without a unified system, resource management suffered. Kanerika stepped in with Power BI and Microsoft Fabric implementation, transforming SSMH's data landscape. By integrating SQL Server and SharePoint into a data lakehouse, Kanerika eliminated silos and ensured data consistency. Data cleansing and validation corrected skewed KPIs, making performance metrics reliable. A structured reporting framework provided role-specific insights, leading to smarter decisions. Results achieved: 85% increase in operational visibility, 90% accuracy in KPIs and data reliability, 100% scalability with future-ready infrastructure. Struggling with data silos? Let's figure it out together. Contact our data engineering experts today.